Hi students, good morning all. Today we are going to discuss the topic from the civics. Okay. Before entering into the topic, let us discuss some general topic. Actually, in our society there is a lot of people. Means in the entire world there is a lot of people. These people are divided into two divisions. Okay, based on their gender. It's nothing but that is the male and female. On the basis of gender, they divide into two things, the two divisions, that is the male and female. Entire total people, they are divided into some large groups. That groups we are going to name it as a religion groups, and in these groups there is a subgroups. That subgroups we are named it as a caste. Here there is a two types of division in our society. One is the male and female. Entire group together they are called as a people. That people are divided into large groups. That large groups we are calling it as a religion groups. And it is in these large groups there is a subgroups, they are called as a caste. Okay. Here whatever the division we are going to make based on the gender, that is called as a gender division. Gender division. Okay. But why we are discussing about the gender and the religion and the caste? Means here in our civics the fourth topic is related to the gender, religion and caste. Gender, religion and caste. In these topics, now we are going to see that how this gender and religion and the caste are playing an important role in our life or in a politics. Okay. Today we are going to see that how the gender and the religion and the caste, how they are going to play an important role in the politics. Let us see that. Okay. We'll see that in the gender division, this gender division is normally it was there from the past in our society. In our society. Okay. This gender division is having from the past in our society. Okay. Now, if you'll see, whatever the gender division it was there in the society, that only we are considering it as a biological division also. And it is also called as sexual division. The gender division only we may identify it as a biological division or a sexual division. In our society, we will see the boys and girls well brought up. Well brought up. Here in our society, everyone is having the feeling that the responsibility of the woman is to cook or to bring up the children. means in our society blindly everyone is having the opinion that what is the responsibility, what is the role of the woman means at home she has to cook and she has to bring up the children. Everyone thinks that it is the role of the woman. Okay. Here based on this only the division of the work is also divided. Okay, for the women's and men's based on the sexual division. Here what is meant by the sexual division? If you will see that, okay, when the work is divided, when the work is divided based on gender, when the work is divided based on gender, that is called as a sexual division. Means this sexual division is nothing but when the work is divided based on the gender. Okay, means based on the gender only the work is going to be divided. That is called as a sexual division. It will brings the sexual division. We will see in the rural areas, mostly in the rural areas, the woman will fetch the water and will cook. She will make the cleaning, she will make the washing, and she will make the tailoring. Okay, means in the rural areas mostly the woman will fetch the water. These are the works which is done by the woman in the rural areas. Okay, then whenever we'll go for the men, means these all works it is done by the woman in the home itself. Here the men will work outside the home. But here we cannot say that the woman only will do the works which is there like a cooking or cleaning or washing or tailoring. The men also will do the works. These works like cooking or cleaning or washing or tailoring. When the men will do this work means when that works are paid for. Means whenever the man is doing this work, whenever he can able to earn some amount of money, then only the man will do like cooking and tailoring. Here we can give the better examples. When the men can do this type of works means you will see in the tailoring shop, he will work as a tailor, and if you will see in the hotels, he will work like a cook, and he will work like a server, and he will work like a cleaner. He will work like a cleaner. Means the same works which is done by the women, that same works only which is done by the men. When he will do all this work means when it is paid for. Whenever he will earn some amount of money, then only he will do all these types of works. Okay. Okay. Here in the rural areas, women will fetch the water and cooking and cleaning and washing. Okay. But if you see the condition of the women in the urban areas, okay, if you see the condition of the women in the urban areas, the women will work in the offices. Here, the women will work in the offices. Sorry. The poor women will, first of all, the poor women will work as a domestic helper. Okay. In the urban areas, the poor women will work as a domestic helper. Okay. Where they will work? In the in the middle class people. Middle class people houses. Here in the urban areas, the poor women will work as a domestic helper. Okay, where they will work means in the middle class people houses. Then where this middle class woman will work? Middle class woman, where she will work? These middle class women will work in a offices. She will work in a offices. Okay. Here, these whatever the poor women they were there, they are working as a domestic helper. Along with that, they will do some paid work also. They will do some paid work also. Why they will do this paid work means to earn more incomes. Here, see the condition of the women in the rural areas, in the urban areas. In the rural areas, mostly they will fetch water and they will clean and they will make the washing and jewelry and they will work at home only, or they will work in the fields also. They will work in the fields also. But if you see the condition of the women in the urban area, some poor women they will work as a domestic helper in the middle class people houses, and that middle class people women they will work in a offices. And most of the women, those who are belongs to the poor women, they will work for the, they will do the paid work also to increase their family income. Okay. This is the situation of women in the rural areas and the urban areas. Stop. Okay. Here we saw the condition of the women in the rural areas and the urban areas. Even though they are working this much of work, they are doing this much of work, their work cannot be recognized. And they won't have any recognition for their work. Okay. Mostly why it was not recognized means whatever the work it was done by the woman, it's not a paid work, means it's not a income generated work, and whatever the work it was done by the men, it is the income generated work. Mostly will consider the income generated work. The society is having the feeling that they will consider only income generated work. Mostly the women will do the means housework, means which cannot generate the income. That's why whatever the work it was done by the woman, it is not going to be recognized. Okay. So when this type of discrimination it was there in the society, and if you see the role of the women in the public life also. Public life means here saw everyone is having the feeling that the woman is the responsibility of the woman to do the household work. Okay, means they are not at all playing a role in the public life. Public life means it's nothing but in a politics. In a politics. Then how they achieved their rights in the politics, how they got the equal status in the man, now we can able to see. Start. When the sexual division of work is going on, when the woman got the discriminated, then they started to hesitate, for their rights. What they started to hesitate. When they started to make the movements, they started to fight for their rights. Means when they started to hesitate or fight for their rights means when the gender issue got in politics, when the gender issue got in politics, at that time the women are so much minimal in the public life. Minimal in the public